I couldn't really stand.
Alright, so you got two down here. I don't know how your Easter dinner wasn't good.
I couldn't stand my dad's girlfriend.
Oh, what do you mean? She's pleasant.
And her family. I couldn't stand her family either. They're barbaric, man. Seriously. Like when my dad walked in, she says, "Oh, hey, that doorknob you put on? Yeah, it wouldn't turn, so I smacked it off with a..."
Jeez, fuck. Fucking hate these. Alright, then you got two Phillips screws right here.
You would die. You would literally die going in there.
Yep, it'd just fall right through.
No, you...
Jesus.
It's feet pictures for days, bro.
That's badass, actually.
It looks weird too, like, because I can stand in front of your car, like, it's not like an inverted lens for that. So it's literally the purpose.
Exactly sure I popped that out last time. There we go, okay.
Don't buy a big GLI truck if you can't park your big GLI truck.
Dude.
Some of the best advice I can give you.
Some of the best advice ever.
Oh, shit. Oh, one car, dude. He's like, I don't know what you're talking about, but I'm just happy to see you, man.
Just happy to be here.
Just happy to be here. I'll be sure so I don't get fined. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, you tell him.
Is that Paulo?
Yeah. What are you telling him? Huh? What do you say? truck moved out onto a farm. So our horses are out there. Other shit out there, donkeys, cats. It's a farm. And bought this truck. And told one of the guys that was there, she's like, hey, you should, if you want to make $100, come over here and hook your truck up to something and drag it through the field and clear out all the, grind up all the horse manure out there.
Mm-hmm.
And then my cat was like, I thought you just got a new truck. She's like, okay, get my tires dirty.
Really?
It's a very stock Chevy, very basic. And it's like a 2010.
I mean, what will you ever do?
Get your tires dirty on a farm?
Why the fuck would you want to farm in these trucks?
Huh? Why would you? Can't get HD out here in farmland.
This farmland? What are you talking about?
Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Man, that one's all scratched up on the front.
Yeah, I mean, beggars can't be choosers, man.
Oh, I saw on the highway coming back home, it had a sign that said autos stay in the left lane.
Mm-hmm.
And it said left lane, autos only. And I was like, what if I'm manual? Do I go with the trucks? And it's like, if I got pulled over by a cop, what are you doing in this lane?
Shit that's on the floor.
No,
Please.
maybe not. I think the fuck not. Ow.
Thank you. I'm so close.
So close.
Oh, nice. Someone didn't even put that one in. Alright, so
What?
now there's supposed to be a screw right here. Someone didn't put it back in.
Saved you some time.
It did.
That's what I did with these plates. I stopped putting two screws in the middle ones.
Yeah.
I put the first 3 in, like the front 3, and then I put the one in the middle on the
Wow.
blind as a bat.
Yeah, I guess so.
Sonar. It makes sense for a bat to come to Pennsylvania. Like Pennsylvania.
You're not wrong.
The biggest pencil in the world, man. I can't believe they never used that joke. Where it's like, what's round on both sides and high in the middle? Ohio.
It's true. Dude, all these seem to be like.
It's a shield now.
Dang it, my little fucking condom fell off again. My little speaker condom.
Did I tell you if I think if I take my passenger door off, I can fit the grom.
You gotta take it off to get it out.
Yeah, but it's like 2 bolts.
That's not very fun.
2 bolts, and then you pick up the door, and I guess it only weighs like 20 pounds
Only?
or something. Super light. That was like, wow, this door's a lot lighter than I thought. Well, right. They really gooped that glue on there.
Jesus, dude.
They're like, hey, Rich, how much more glue do you got over there? Oh, about a half bucket. Oh, just use the rest of it on the passenger side.
Fuck, dude.
I'm really stuck here.
Just want to finish before it got dark. Really didn't feel like doing this again tomorrow.
Are you still filming?
Dang it. He
Yes.
broke both the fucking clips taking it out. God damn it.
You broke 2 of them.
On that one, but out of all of them, dude.
That'll be fine.
Yeah, until someone fucking pulls it out really hard.
I'll pull on it real hard for you. Just heat up some of that glue and melt it on there, and it'll glue itself back on.
Believe you. They do.
That time.
Okay. Sweet. Ooh. Hey, here's a bolt. I don't know how it got in my slipper.
Save that for later.
Dude, I don't know why it doesn't like going into this fucking hole. There we go. These two.
Those torques.
Yeah.
Good night.
But it was dark. That's my excuse.
That's your excuse.
Alright, then we just have this.
Hey, that one came up nice.
Yeah, the one and only.
One and only. Oh, I thought the dogs were passed out. Paul's a lot happier now. He wanted the bone in the beginning. Jeez, Ethan.
That's all Sabrina's doing. She's like, we're doing a bone, so I give him a toy full of fucking.
Oh, yeah. Treat your dog first.
Yeah. Used to it, man.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can get updates on all the new videos I release. I hope to see you next time.